guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see here, I have a F-22 fighter jet. It's actually a freebie given to me by the store whom I ordered my 3D metal models. It's actually okay, not that good. Alright, so here is the plates. So this is only one plate, and it would be an easy build, I think. And also this would be not a good assembly. This kind of plate like this is actually not good. It's shiny, but yeah, it's actually not good. All right, we'll just finish it off and then we'll see what happens. So this is actually an easy build. I didn't do the last assembly, and yeah, as I have predicted, the plate is not actually good compared to the ones that I've been used to. So this is the front view, top view, and the rear view. See, this thing is actually not a good model. Yeah, maybe for just like something to look at, it will be. So this is the same thing as this one. So yeah, no biggie. Yes. Alright, so I hope you have still enjoyed this assembly, even though it's just too short. So as you can see, there's no wheels attached. It's fairly simple. Didn't took me like an hour. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this another episode of me assembling. Have a great day.